This morning. It's a beautiful Monday morning, and we're going to be talking about the Singa, Salika Kambrok na BTFM. Gua nakanga ni Benenderbak. Menta hepan tunga na bimatak me bakikua, meron di katskina na vita vidindo en tangara ber bebonondui. And the way talk and will make it. Arabinaka Eleanor, Arabinaka Demis.
Arabinaka to everyone tuning in this beautiful morning. Welcome to Outspalangi Show, Broken English Show. Bikim Nikil Sarnawekanda Ninto Patubultungumai from the buses, from the taxi, the minibus, the carrier, and whatever private vehicle or whatever vehicle that you are traveling in this morning. We are sending morning vibes and good morning to everyone.
Good morning to the driver of the taxi from Tokatokan, Tailebu, to Petaya, Emarokosuka, Torau Leli Rosi Sulo Bull, or Lek Rose Watake, Baby Annie, and Amatakanikuwa.
Hey, Pramendra Singh, and President Coffee Land at President Plaza Samambula, tuning in this beautiful morning. Good morning. Bakatang akin Dinian Kumar, all the way from Bararabeli Road, Singatoka, yan Rabinaka.
She is coming.
Who?
LT1230 Dubs.
Oh, yan Rabinaka, tating ko Motoloa, Black Arrow, and LTC, na LT1230, and Mataka di Vingarabi ko. Yan Rabinaka, kimin yung Vingarabi, and tapan ni Buli.
Dina.
And Banua, bubutong ko na noble profession go, and nabug non pabuli din na Lupenda, and nabi Kato Boko.
Nakapalebu.
Membeleto non Rabagarang taga na Lupenda, and nabi singa ni Mataka.
Alright.
Kawausipin ng garabita, bibir na nabikaban ni security, Era siya mo maya na Mataka di Vingarabi ko. Oh, nabi tarong na Mataka di ko may dams. Na non rando sudut apa na Lupenda.
Right?
Iyo.
Yeah?
Nadabo dabali. Nadabo na kena binaka, se nadabo na kena
advantage and disadvantage of bottle feeding.
Yeah.
Right.
If you see the breastfeeding,
Right.
the breastfeeding is different from the bottle feeding.
Yes.
Demonstrate.
If you see the
We
bottle,
need a demonstration. Please, kere.
sigaling daw
For
naman
our live show this morning. People are watching. Okay. Wawa. Go. Take this
bottle
as a bottle. Go.
demo
Please.
demo melalang naketin. The difference between the breastfeeding and the bottle feeding is one. The breastfeeding is very good,
Yeah.
You're not tied so many times.
Right?
Because as soon as the baby wants to eat,
Yes.
you just give them.
Right.
Unlike bottle.
Readily available. It's readily available,
Eat.
Yeah.
Apple and banana.
The
bottle,
bottle
yeah.
is different because in that night you want to sleep,
Right.
he or she crying the baby,
Right.
you
have to wake up.
and mix
Right.
their milk.
Yeah.
And the difference between them, the attachable.
Right?
If the baby is more attached to breastfeeding,
Right?
because you are close to the mother, you are children.
Yes.
Just like
Karotije.
Karotije.
Yeah.
Karotije is very attached because breastfeeding.
Yes, that's true.
Yeah.
True. Breastfeeding.
May no, what's your
if I have to compare breastfeeding and bottle feeding, breastfeeding is the best.
Oh, no, okay.
That is what the nurses and all the Tapanibulay, they recommend mothers to breastfeed their children.
But some mothers don't want to give the breast to the baby.
Yeah, depende.
Yeah.
Some they have the first baby.
Right.
Some they don't.
They don't produce. They don't produce enough milk. Yes.
Okay, let alone produce.
Right.
But some mothers don't see the katamera solina sudu.
Yeah, because maybe the jobbing.
Right.
Okay, right.
Yeah.
Right.
Na nakalaki wasoso kina.
Yeah.
Lelingan ako ni Libby.
Yeah.
Some they don't give because they want their body to be on the saturated
Mood.
mood.
Like
Okay.
what mode?
Mekuni ni na balitan ni.
Okay, that is where you are wrong.
My lord.
Breastfeeding helps the mother to lose weight. Okay, na lose tali and a shape before motherhood. That is what breastfeeding is for. It helps the mother to retain shape. It doesn't
Change.
Change. No. Breastfeeding mothers, they go back.
Yeah.
They go back to the normal size.
Because I know this one want to change the landscape.
I want to explain.
No. This one want to change the ready one landscape. This one working in the landscape department in the hotel.
If you see the lives,
Right.
the very good thing about breastfeeding for the children,
Right.
Yeah.
because
And
the
rice.
milk, the
Yeah.
first milk that given by the baby,
Right.
that is a good milk that fight against disease.
Yeah,
True.
Sarah.
We name that
Right.
one is a colostrum.
Yeah.
Right.
Colostrum that help to fight against disease.
Right.
That's yellow in color.
Yes.
That help the baby to fight against any disease that come in that
Right.
age group.
Yeah.
So that and another thing.
Yeah.
This is a true story. The
Yes.
doctor one day
Yes.
he tell the
Yeah,
story.
yeah. Okay.
The good thing about
Breastfeeding.
breastfeeding.
Yeah.
Or narita nandun, you can see the difference between the baby breastfeeding
Yeah.
and the one with the bottle.
Right.
Narongo-rongo la sa rongo-rongo sa kasakato ka.
Yeah,
Yeah.
but
Or nangone rasudu be nonrenar nangone malu atok nga.
right.
Yeah.
Nangone
Yeah,
malu.
yeah.
Kor nangone kor rasudu taba.
Yeah.
Bateri sudu ni bulu makawe. So nangono narita narito bakas tutungan na.
Yeah.
Be vivi akina. Iyo.
Yes,
Ay, tuku na buni,
yeah,
wai.
true.
Oi.
That's true.
Na biya makatal tuku na buki-buki ni bulu makawe. Ko berta be vivi akina langen gitu bakal lia-lia.
Very active.
Very
Very active. Yes, very active kids.
Okay. All right. Yeah, na buku ni bito ka diyan na tikina na buku ni
Right.
bito lo bimbingo. So it is very important for the mothers.
Right.
For the breastfeeding mothers to eat the healthy food, eh?
Yes.
Yeah,
Yes.
kabimbi.
Eat
Yeah.
healthy food.
Yeah.
Maintain humidity in your body or temperature.
Yeah.
Yes, yes.
Namu temperature mo karauna because sometimes you are cold can let the baby to cool.
Yeah.
Because what you eat,
Yes.
the baby to eat.
You know, it's
Doon
when,
ka.
in the olden days,
Yeah.
abir na nonton now,
Yeah.
doon ka bimbingo when you are breastfeeding.
Yeah.
You are not allowed to eat certain foods.
Yeah.
Not allowed to eat in when you buka.
No salt.
Yeah.
They don't no salt in your roro.
Right.
Sangga wali seranga,
Yeah.
siyang sing ni pamasima.
Ombumbu baka mendo security taletu na sanitaw na.
Very strict, very
Because
strict.
the only time the mommy give their beautification after birth.
Right.
Ni wote ndo na bakasudo ndo sule kinero na marama ndo na ire to tokan ndo koya ombumbu.
Yeah.
Olay bay.
So it comes with responsibility.
Right
Responsibility.
beside the
Yeah, yeah.
taunamu.
Eda to namu.
Yeah.
Tamani ngone wawa ko tutumba.
Keep away. Yes.
That's most of them bumbu they do that, they give herbal
Yeah,
medicine
true. Yeah.
and everything. But if you don't give the milk,
Right.
Yeah.
the mother,
Yeah.
you'll eat basisay.
True. If it's
Pero
not
better was
enough,
nango, why
right.
the sudu mother
Right.
Yeah, and though sometimes they got the
Yeah.
season?
dry season from them, eh?
Yeah, yeah.
They dry the season. Some of them they can because the eye,
Yeah.
the eye is mabuhay.
Yeah.
Because they want
Right,
to,
yes.
they can, eh?
Yeah.
Because from there you have to eat tambasisi.
And this one, bisado mabona ay, ko sa kedo kedo lomba kada kala na mambo sude.
Yeah.
Ko sa kan bital mambo sude la mana. Kali mambo tay kina na mambo ya.
Hey, SK Elijah mo. Kaya naman
Ratu tahu.
Metuga mambo sude mer kala. Gile nga baka lomba ka. Ko sa nga. Gile mambo sude, sabatalo ka lomana mambo sude. Kali wa tio ka na musya. Please don't do that, Messi.
Tuko kalian na, kawakilan na ka, wey, laibay.
Daw ka mau. Daw bola binaka.
Arot betar kina may lolo bombos to namu. Happy birthday be langa kalide. From Lydia Mamba Kombawe. And namatanga binang ni kuah.
Yan binaka.
Iya.
Siti
may mundo
yan binaka.
May mundo.
Iya.
Ano birthday?
Koro.
Iya.
Andra.
Ya pokoknya udah ke may
Masih na usa.
Melbourne Pag binakan mo bitakan matang ni kuya na kambibi, kaya na maramatin na pagsudo ngone, maramatin na sudo. Di ba ron simak man nabibalimbulan na matang ni kuya naririn na pagkatiwa na bital longo.
Ngoni buang batibo.
Kita sa pag binakan siya na kimunia na matang ni kuya, ni tag ni ramaru tag siya na papa, non rakataluti ko so magsara mo so sartangit siya na matang ni kuya. Kaya pag araman di sudo tabaya se sudo be, kaya na maramatin na da lomani resar pambimbi ni rakatali. Ano lomani non tamata bale.
Untuk buat takir tu nang ni may bale.
Iyo.
No abo sud tapaya.
Iya.
O puna kaya sud ngabe nanay.
Right.
Batikir tu na boni boy sulubi nang kuparada lubi nang kusis.
Iya.
Tu sud tapaya. Korto na sud tapaya arto dua tani sartunga. Mo singa nang gabok-gabok.
Eh. Da boleh besar beto kan mai
Iya.
sama na matag ni mata kamaro tsuk ng bulong ko kurmundo.
Ella the money.
Setara kilendu ambul bila ka wex wani ni bila ka deme singo.